Hello, my dear ones. Welcome to this guided meditation. I'm glad that you made this choice to be here and meditate today. And take care of your body, mind, and soul. Let's get into a comfortable position and sit relaxed. Close your eyes. Now join your hands together and take a moment for giving thanks to the universe. Focus on what you have to be thankful for today. I am thankful for this beautiful day. I am thankful to be seen this day as I am alive. I am thankful for the people I love. I am thankful for the sun, our earth, and the air I breathe. I am thankful for this moment of peace. Release your hands back to your knees. You can keep the face of your palm up for receiving or down for grounding. Take 3 deep breaths with an open mouth and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Feel the blood flow through your body that will relax you. Then close your mouth and breathe through your nose for the rest of this meditation. We'll start with bringing awareness to and relaxing the entire body. Relax your forehead and your eyebrows. Relax your facial muscles. Breathe in, and on your exhale, relax your shoulders down. Relax your arms. Relax your hands and your fingertips. Relax your heart. Relax your stomach. Relax your hips, your thighs, your knees. Relax your calves. Relax your feet. Relax your toes. Feel your entire body completely relaxed. Allow yourself to simply feel the calmness of this moment. You may notice your breath slowing down and you are relaxed. As your body calms down and finds stillness, allow your breath to flow naturally. Just observe how your body naturally breathes in and out. Be the observer of your breath. Your body is capable of doing things and it already knows what to do. If you notice thoughts entering your mind, don't worry or judge. Let them come and go. Simply observe the thoughts. Your thoughts are like clouds. A thought might drift across your mind and morph into another thought. You don't need to do anything but observe and then release. Like cloud, let them pass through. If you want, you can try this visualization. As you breathe in, imagine positive light energy. This positive light energy coming into your body from the top of your head, and breathe out. Imagine that positive energy flowing through your body, all the way down your limbs, and pushing old, stagnant energy out through the tip of your toes. Breathe in positive, loving energy. Breathe out and let that positive energy flow through you, washing away any negative thoughts and energy and emotions that aren't serving you. Continue this visualization with your breath. In doing so, you're essentially trading low vibrational energy for high vibrational energy. We are energetic beings. We must learn to protect our energy and consciously choose to feed the positive and release the negative. As you feel the positive light energy surrounding you, feel free to recite these positive affirmations along with me in your mind. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. I am strong. I am brave. I am resilient. I respect and accept myself exactly as I am. I am guided. I am protected. I am loved. I am safe. I can express myself freely. I choose love over fear. I am a light worker and I lead with light. I am authentic to who I am and aligned with what I am. Now you have the tools to relax your entire physical body. Renew your energetic body with positive light energy and reset your mind with positive, loving affirmations. These exercises are available to you whenever you need them. Continue meditating on your own. Breathe and connect with the stillness within. Until you hear my next voice, just focus on yourself and meditate to get all the positivity in your life. Bring all the goodness to your life. Let all the negative thoughts flow away like clouds. Bring the positive energy within you. Focus on your forehead. Imagine a light and keep meditating to bring positivity. Begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Bring your hands together and return to your gratitude. What about your life are you grateful for? Take 3 deep breaths with an open mouth. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Open your eyes and see the beautiful world around you. Observe your surroundings with a fresh perspective and continue your day with positivity and gratitude. Sending you lots of love and light. Love and care. Ajinkya.